Hello, Ebola Kuki Maths channel video se kahin limuwe. Video ni in upload tawin tu ne athum channa hi ding hi en so tu ne bol diu hi. Class 12 Maths exercise masapen bol diu hi. Jone thaya khu basic maths most basic maths ebo na bol hitin jingham thayam khala khun. Iba khu addition subtraction ho multiplication division ho chung sang hi. Hoi ta in video ni de thum li ta bangin hoi ta ki hil chino hitin. Tuna exercise में सपेना बेटा हुई थे exercise में सपेना question number 1 आहे question हो सुना है शेर खत के पीडी relation के पीडी इसे relation दूसरा जो जैसे elements हो जो relation जो reflexive form symmetry form transitive form चाहिए बोल दूँ ना set जो भी हम तैयार set या जो natural number 1 अपन 14 चन हिजिंग जो 1 अपन 14 चन ये relation जो तब हमको related हम भी तेल order पेरा first element pa 3 into first element minus y to 0 hai de langkana chu chi e hon simplify bol the cho xy such that 3x equal to y ke he the na y he langkala so la hela plus de ta ko tela first element 3 times the second element ki bang ji de tu na ko tela ep element na chu le ta na be to x 1 he ting le y value है 3 into 1 so 3 है दिना अब क्या है ले 1 तो 3 related दिना अब आना x 2 है तीन ले y value है 3 into 2 so 6 है दिना अब क्या ले 2 तो 6 related दिना है चा 2 is related to 6 अब आना x 3 है तीन ले y value है 3 into 3 so 9 that means 3 to 9 related kita pun so 4 to 12 related ding bana 5 to 15 related है हम related है तो बोले अजी जो ये हो element हो ही ये सम ते ते दी है ये 15 और 14 जन ही जा so 5 to 15 है related to lodi oh yo se sunga bo consider board ko tele ho relation se na chu element am se chu se he jung ta chu to here chu relation he reflexive form symmetric form transitive form and check do reflexive he ti vanadi ma chu reflexive he ni ding ma chu elements is element za usi ko bon ama lama related he ngai na 1 related 1 2 related 2 he was 14 related to 14 he chan ngai so reflexive he ni ma chu upon related he ti ngai here reflexive he point ni ding ma chu khat pen pe khat bu aza hu isang reflexive he point ti jing thai so tun ver te reflexive he ni ding ma chu akip an pe na 1 related to 1 he oh match na arsunga he 1 mom oh chiti acho 1 related to 1 he lo pana cho 1 is not related to 1 he pana cho r he reflexive to lo cho symmetric he ni ding ma cho symmetric he ni ding ma cho first element is related here for example first element to second element to related here second element so first unrelated na dina symmetric he ni dina tun yakte na ku 1 is related to 3 umjina first element is related to second element ta chala to he second element related to first element 3 related to 1 bopina 3 related to 1 1 related to 3 3 related to 1 hilo phana cha chi not symmetric ta cha this implies r is not symmetric transitive anything also for transitive anything also first element of second element related din second element of third element related din na abana so first element of third related and also to 1 is related to 3 means na. First element is related to second element. Abana 3 related to 9 ni ocho. Aku to transitive check theta na. Ipi check du hum tehile first to third related na. Related na hele transitive feeding. Related lo wa hele transitive lo de. To so eho ara hi na hele 1 3 3 9 ai nga 1 9 no na. That means 1 is not related to 9. First element hi third element to related to lotas. Oh, tiji acho. R is not transitive. Transitive na. Citam. Roman number 2 chu. Given set we have the set of natural numbers na. Natural number to 1 2 3 4 5 apana infinities and hidden relationship to we have the order pair relationship to second element so first element plus 5 and pd abanting first element so natural number less than 4 natural number less than 4 gidi so 1 2 3 ke saina hi jingsa tun jote ar sunga hi pp pair deham kya hila x c 1 hitting the y value here 1 plus 4 so 5 hidina that means 1 is related to 5 1 is related to 4 na 1 is related to 4 1 is related to 1 plus 5 so 1 plus 5 is acho 1 plus 5 kotila 1 is related to 6 hidina 1 is related to 6 okay abana hi x c 2 ila tingle y value hi 2 plus 5 so 7 hi that means 2 is related to 7 2 is related to 7 so tungju ya cho 3 is related to 8 4 is related to 9 diham talo dina haji cho ihon question se ya cho first element hi natural number less than 4 so natural number less than 4 so one apana 4 chan 3 chan tun ve tawte reflexive check tawte reflexive ni dinga element so amon related is okay ngai na aleva hi 1 related to 1 talo cho 1 is related to 1 hi lo phana hi 1 is not related to 1 hi phana hi r is not reflexive is na abanda symmetric hi ni dinga so first element related to second element here hele second and first no related ngai na tun veute 1 related to 6 na but 6 related to 1 no so ati acha first element related to second element hi banga second so first related hi lo ja so r is not symmetric bana hi transitive video transitive hi dinga so case ni se ocho first mase penso piham tia hila first element of second element related ding second element of third element related ding le transitive hi hello check thedi tu na jiting so le check ke bol thelo wa le transitive hi jing hi ti jing so to ni ba ho hi relation hi bi transitive hi hello check bol theni dinga chu han condition chu pi sei be condition se ocho hi le first element related to second element ding abanting second element to third element related jong kid hichi satisfy boarding level first to third related nam check dio related here transitivity dio related hi level transitive point dio yam te hichi condition hi imu thelo wa hele aki check thelo wa hele transitive rule dong ju ya cho transitive ila jing dio hi cho na tun e ho hi relation hi even na hele first element related to second abana second to related killa wasn't first element related to second to related lo wasn't first element related to second element second to third related lo cho vai muham imu hi piham kite hele l b hi given set elements hi natural number hi hele first element related to second element and energy juna ahibanga second element related to third element hi in he ji lo cho he chi nei lo ji wa he ki check thelo par wa cho piti tam tel r he transitive he ta la lu ta cha r is transitive banting le tu chanai mu do chu pi ham tel ho r he hence r is transitive conclusion acho but not reflexive he poi itu na but not reflexive nor symmetric jang hikit lo na symmetric Roman number 3 bong so fellow chun set a ki p na set a chu elements so chula 1 apana section heading one r is a relation in a r is a relation in a on a from a to a ki thing le chi relation he pia kuna ki sim dhiam ki tahla a to a correlation product nga kuna ki sim ding tin he jing chang on a in a from a to a ki ho bang ko one hai wa se chu chi relationship pi dhiam tahla x to y chu ti ting la related he ki dhiam ki tahla second coordinate element pa hai first point divide by taking the bo amani chu first element is related to second element ki ji na lewa kuna be the 1 in divide by the chu 1 in 1 divide by 1 in 2 divide by 3 about 4 about 5 about 6 about chu ti acho 1 related to 1 upon 1 related to 6 1 2 jong in 2 about 4 6 3 jong 3 to 6 about 4 in 4 about 5 in 5 about 6 jong 6 jong about 6 about hey ta abon ha ki chi the chuna wa ta abon ha chi ai le a na khat cho ipi ha ham te hi le ana wa lo na khat ti so element he uncountable element hom na tang lang la ipt bol hom na ai chida tu sanai bol chu pe ham te la anu for reflexive fa chu 1 related to 1 2 related to 2 apana 6 related to 6 and abona omji achu they are reflexive materials abachi bol wa he element hong tam phan a sa di achu pi bol hom te la element jo si khu for reflexive so this one element jo si khu variable khana denote evolve na pana pi volume ham tel ama eche relation is satisfy a volume ti bolu so tun yote a is divisible by a relationship so h statement ni yote di number kha ama le ma ki divide the using this na eche true which is true je di je acho so this one element ho hin ama element jo se ko ama le ma ki divide the ti he ja chu chi adi pana jo pedi ham tel se this one element jo se ko ama le ma ki related su ke element jo se ama le ma ki related su ke ja chu piti tam tel r is reflexive iti do ta so reflexive ai ti proof na ding ha cho element ja o se bona he te ngai ai point ti proof na ding ha chu khat bo se hi lo jong le ai point ti jing thai cha symmetric hey lo check bolo ti symmetric hey ne ding ha chu first element to second element related hi popawa hi la second element jong first element to related hi te ngai na tun check bolo ta tun chi view ta 1 to 2 hi ani ta natural number cho set chunga omna abana epiti tam tia hi la 2 is divisible by 1 chuna to he 1 in divisible thai cho 2 is divisible by 1 tale ho relations definition dong ri cho 1 is related to 2 tina ta la tai symmetric hin ding hai 2 is related to 1 hingai chuna ma 1 is 2 divisible thai lo cho 1 is not divisible by 2 so 1 is 2 divisible thai lo ja cho that means 2 is not related to 1 1 is related to 2 hi wanga 2 related to 1 hello that means it is not r is not transitive symmetric na symmetric letun transitive aveta transitive ache pidham ta hela first element to second element hi related here second element to third element hi related hi ki na hele first element to third element related nam ti check volume na tun transitive check bolo te for transitive aku tela tun piti volume tela element thum hi let a b c belongs to natural number hai ti te na apana natural number hi kyu hilo piti tham tela first element hi second element hi a related to b tutin panting b related to c tutin c la du cho symmetric transitive check na dinga so piti tam tela a related to b hele b is divisible by a tina cho b is divisible by a cho piti ni ham tela b hi a to natural number khat multiply ke bol tina hi jing chna 1 where m is a natural number na bani wa so hi b related to c ti hele c is divisible by b tina cho that means c is product of b into some natural number na to 6 here 3 in divide by 3 tu so na ibola ki sei ham ta 3 to 2 multiply by 6 support ji ai 6 here 3 divide by multiply by 3 to natural number chum ka multiply ki bol ja cho 3 in divide by 3 ki ti so chita banga cho b hi a in divide by 3 dinga hele b hi a to natural number dang kha multiplication chun b po ditin ha jeng cho abana c chu b in divide by 3 ti hele b to natural number dang kha multiply bola hele c po di tin ha jeng chu na hele tun live ki ota equation kon koi bana hele c chu b hi a to natural number dang kha multiply ki bolna pi dis na ta che b value hi equation bana pen he dia to b langa ko a into m into n chin wa cha c hi natural number a to natural number m to natural number n multiply ke bolen a into m into n in c appear te cha that means a in c divide by thai m in jong c divide by thai n in c divide by thai na this implies c is divisible by a your relation acho element ka element chum khan divide by thai ya hele mani chu related he te na this means a and c are related iba mung do chu pi ham taila no relationship dung ya chu first element to second element related here second element to third element related hi po haila first to third jong related hi tina cha aku de chin wa cha chu pi ham tele r is transitive tina cha transitive de va pan ai mo cha r is reflexive and transitive but Roman number 4 symmetry Roman number 4 I have an hele relation r in the set z capital letter bo la ki thing le che set of integers tina chuna integers chu -1 -2 -3 0 1 2 3 4 kita hoi jing here pan e relation r he integers to integers are ki same dina correlation product between integers and integers when to bang ha chu related dit ham til order pair element ni chu minus e bola hele amani difference ang chu integer hi ai chida bang relation chu related dit is na alam pia sai dinga chu element any two integer subtract bola integer hi jing cha to ne wa he reflexive hi tin dinga chu integer sa bona che ngai integers uncountable am ja che thelo na chu ti ja chu bona wa he variable khana denote value ta na let a be an integer na integer of sidin about also akutela this implies its definition is in ambiente na a minus h ap hai 0 a minus 0 to integer na which is an integer akutela chin wa sa so pham te hela element set a sunga integer zo se hi amo jo se amale am related su ke ve tina so element jo si related to su ke va hele p ke se na ham te hele this implies r is reflexive tina so na mana symmetric hina dinga cho for symmetric तो हमको symmetric दिसे हम तिला first element जो second element are related here second and first element are not related ना है ना बखर बे होते तुन element नहीं लता होते let a b belongs to z one amani belongs की हिलवा पिधि हम तिला such that a is related to b हिंगा जो a related to b हिधि हम ते हले a minus b is integer ना ची हिटिंग ले integer related to ना उते हले 1 minus 2 cho minus 1 integer cho na ele 2 minus 1 cho 1 integer hi ki de cho that means a minus b cho integer hi hele b minus a jong cho integer hi ngai de bana b minus a integer hi hele yo relation definition tong ya cho b is also related to a related to b hi pola b related to a hi cho ichi pi ki sina ham te hele chi hin sai cho r is symmetric relation na r is symmetric a transitive check ball thene dinga chu integers o se hu integer to mean represent ball hote na a b c hi integer he tutin banting le integer he mo integer he loading ti hi ham te le a to b related na a to b related ti ai ho relation dong su ya so a minus b chu integer hi ngai na abana b to c jong related that means b minus c is an integer equation 1 equation 2 aban e hon he no cho two integers so array bol la hele integer he tho de ti he no chna khode tun bol ta roman number 1 hi integer roman number 2 jong hi equation 2 jong hi integer khotele integer ni e bol wa hele amani sam no so integer he de so is an integer he de so bana hi vai minus b to plus b cancel bola le vai pe ponam tele a minus c is an integer so yo definition dong cho integer ni cho element ni cho a difference so integer hi ha mani so related he ti na that means a relation dong so that means a is related to c wa kon ai mo so pi ham tele it's a relation sunga dinga given set na dinga relation sunga dinga hi first element to second element related here second element to third element related hi pau pa hele first to third jang related te so aku tele this is pivot sum tel r is transitive tin hai chna r is transitive roman number 5 question number 1 ahi set e chule tam ko changa human being zo si na human being zo si heading pana question number a relation a hele ita bonus related ham te hele mi ni cho ana to na mana ke ba hele mani cho related is na ku tele tun mi him zo se cho a in the not bolo te na aku tele mi ma cho amal amana to namun ki bang chna ki to ke he kana to namun ki bang lo ya tele mi chun ama awa thimi te di cha te cho mim jo se cho amal amana to na de ke ba ki bang jing de hi ja cho mim jo se cho amal ma related ta so that means r is reflexive abana cho ton a le b hi locality a sung ameti tan na kutele a to b hi ana to namun ake bang nge ti ta so that means b to a jong ana to namun ke bang de na kutele a to b related ya b to a related ya r is symmetric chebanga cho mi thum hi la ki de so mi thum la hi a to b hi ana to namun ke bang abana b to c hi ana to namun ke bang akutel a to c jong ana to namun ke bang ki de chana that means r is transitive alangkan asai dang r hi reflexive jang hi symmetric jang hi transitive jang hi lo le equivalence relation jang question number b hi inja to akilo thimjin dana tawtin hon bol bilang c hi mihim ni chu iti ting related diham te hele first element so first person so second person sanga 7 cm la asam jo hele mani chu related dikidi chuna hotele mihim jo se n laute hotele a is exactly 7 cm taller than a hi theidem nang so nang sanga 7 cm na tol theidem hi thelo pisuna that means a is not related to a mihim amale ma related helo pana cho r is not reflexive ta chuna abana symmetric hi ne dinga cho pila do ham tele mihim ni la do amani so related di hetis amani so related he tiale pidi ham tele A is exactly 7 centimeter taller than B hidina utile reverse so ai theidem A so 7 B sang 7 centimeter la san zo hele B jong so A sang 7 centimeter ata sang zo dem hi thelo pina impossible ta za khutile R is not symmetric tun mihim thumla kinote min thum la do abana piti dem tel A is 7 centimeter taller than B na abana B is 7 centimeter taller than C akutile A jong hi C sangin 7 centimeter asang zo dem sang zo lo dina 14 centimeter la sang zo li cha akutile that means A is not related to C akutile R is not reflexive, not symmetric, and not transitive. Then question number D. Question number D है तब हमसे relation हम क्या है first element जो second element Wi-Fi है related data ना होते ले तो मेंबर जो अमाजिनो इधर इधर I am my wife की detail हो ना होते ले element जो अमाले मार related तो लोग होती जाते not reflexive and X is the Y of Y तले Y जो X Y ano hi thei mi thei lo chuna nang su ke jinu ne ke chuna jinu ko no hi thei ki to lo pina aw tele not symmetric abana X is wife of Y this X Y jinu hi le Y chu z jinu hi thei dem gai thei lo pina chin chong chong na chu gai thei to lo pina aw di aso ge check thei lo ja chu transitive hi this first element related to second element related to third element ga lo chu mi khat chu mi khat dinga ajinu ko de am haji pa da ma mi chum kha jinu gai thelo che ke bol thelo ja chu transitive fit ta na ale iya ile nang su dang ma pa ne thelo ja chu not reflexive bana x su y father ile y chu x father kan hui thelo pi na nang su na pa na kan hui thelo chu ite chu not reflexive bana not symmetric transitive la x su father of Y chu father of Z akuti X also father of Z ite dem hilo pina grandfather hidis na akuti achu not transitive ke dia abana hi question number 2 hi R chu capital R hele relation kitina bold letter R hele set of real numbers na bold letter R has ha ja yo hin the first equal hichina che real number ki seina set ki seina इसी relationship की सीना चो relationship पीती थे हम तेले first number is less than or equal to the square of second number ना चाहिए तेले related है देती है ना तो नहीं होते half a real number है चो होते ले half square कोई दिन से दे चे 1/4 चो चे less than or equal to 1/4 दी दे हम दी लो पिना half a 1/4 सांग दिन जो ना होती है चो दी लो जा चो half is not related to half so mari ma related hi lo pana chu this is not reflexive na bandele symmetric check na dinga chu tun symmetric nga dingin view na symmetric nga dingin element ni lote -1 to 2 hi anita real number chuna botele to hi -1 is less than or equal to 2 square. Chihi d cho. That means -1 is related to 2 na. Ale to reverse di am view 2 is less than or equal to -1 square. Chi di na. Di lo pina. 2 is not less than 1 chana. That means 2 is not related to 1. 1 related to 2 hi wanga. 2 is not related to -1 hi ja cho. R is not symmetric ta cho. Ale to transitive view 3 minus 2 to 0 लाते ना 3 minus 2 to 0 3 minus 2 to 0 3 is less than or equal to -2 square दी ना -2 square जो 4 so first element related to second element अब अंतिम -2 जो ही less than or equal to 0 square दी ना -2 is related to 0 दी so खुद ले तो first element to third element related nam vi hote 3 is less than or equal to 0 square di talo pina 3 is not less than 0 so ko tele 3 to 0 hi first element to third element related talo that means R is not transitive ke dio Question number 3. Set kipi banting la relation kipi the boncho related diham tila. Second element so first element plus 1 heating le related this na. Wa he first element so 1 ila hele 1 plus 1 so 2 2 ila le 2 plus 1 so 3 he tia he first element sa khana tam so hosi se so related is tun reflexive from that. Reflexive in so 1 1 he ngai na 1 is not related to 1 so kuti is not reflexive. Abanting symmetric hin ding so 1 related to 2 hele 2 related to 1 he ngai na. Why 1 related to 2 but 2 related to 1 kit lo na kuti so che not symmetric. Wana transitive hin ding so 1 related to 2 abana 2 related to 3 kit na. First element related to second element related to third element kit, but 1 related to 3 kit lo so 1 related to 3 kit lo so ti so this R is not transitive.